Alright, tablety laptop 8 or Microsoft Surface Pro 8. Pricier than the 7, but is it worth it? Let's go over the raw stats. The Surface Pro is a 2-in-1 laptop, combining the best features of a tablet and a laptop, including a touchscreen and Windows 11. With this, the laptop starts at $1,100, which is $200 more than the previous iteration, plus $280 for the keyboard and pen. With this, you get a 13-inch display with a resolution well beyond 1080p. The size, in my opinion, is great, not too big and not too small, but maybe a 15-inch option would have been nice too. In addition to that improved display, we also get thinner bezels, which look really nice and will definitely allow that display to shine. And on top of that, we got 120Hz refresh rate, just like the Surface Pro competitor, the iPad Pro, so an overall prettier and smoother looking display. But for connectivity, I feel like this laptop is lacking. We lost the microSD card slot and replaced a USB Type-A with USB Type-C port. Now don't get me wrong, USB-C is great, but not everyone uses it. And I don't think we should be forced to use a dongle if we're going to connect more than 2 things to our laptop. Apple. What's not lacking though are the accessories. The Surface Slim Pen 2 and type cover are great. The Slim Pen has haptic feedback, making it feel like you're writing on paper even though you're writing on glass, and the type cover encases it so you don't have to carry around everything separately. For internal specs, thankfully the Surface Pro 8 is an upgrade. Not to say that the Surface Pro 7 has bad specs, it's just that it's 2 years old. The Surface Pro 8 will ship with Intel's 11th gen processors, which have, quote, 43% more compute power and 75% faster graphics. Is that the case for all models? I don't know. But if Microsoft is telling the truth, expect to be able to run some pretty intense programs for long periods of time, such as AutoCAD, a long Zoom session, or maybe even some gaming. Lastly, for storage, the Surface Pro 8 comes with 128GB, which is not great. You can pay $100 to double that, or you can install your own SSD because the laptop now supports that. Or you can always get an external SSD. I recommend these. So, is the Surface Pro 8 worth it? Well, that depends on you. If you own a Surface Pro 7 already, I would say no. The added features are great, don't get me wrong, but just like with the iPhone, some upgrades are not worth spending the money for. Now, if you don't own a Surface Pro 7, that's a different story. If you're short on cash, I'd actually first recommend checking out the current Surface Pro 7 stock. You don't have to go buy one, but at least check out the prices. I've seen one for $550. That's probably not the one you want, you probably want one more souped up, but at least entertain the idea to maybe save some money. But if you have the money, absolutely consider getting the Surface Pro 8. Modern, fast, smooth looking, and has the Windows 11 operating system, the thing is fairly future-proof. Of course, don't forget to do a little more research before making your purchase. But ultimately, all of this is your decision based on your preferences. Don't just watch my video on this, I've linked many more down in the description to view at your discretion. My name is Seeroos. It's spelled like Cyrus, pronounced like Sea Rooster, just take out the ter. Thank you very much for watching, good luck with your purchase, and have a wonderful day.